What is a characteristic feature of a grassland ecosystem? A. Abundant trees. B. High annual precipitation. C. Sparse vegetation. D. Deep shade. The correct answer is C. Grasslands are characterized by sparse vegetation dominated by grasses rather than trees. Which of the following is not a type of grassland ecosystem? A. Savanna. B. Tundra. C. Prairie. D. Steppe. The correct answer is B. Tundra is not a grassland ecosystem. It is a cold, treeless biome with low vegetation. Which structural component is essential for maintaining the biodiversity of a grassland ecosystem? A. Shrubs. B. Bushes. C. Grasses. D. Trees. The correct answer is C. Grasses play a vital role in providing habitat and food sources for a diverse range of species in grassland ecosystems. What is the primary function of grasses in a grassland ecosystem? A. Providing shade. B. Offering shelter to animals. C. Preventing erosion. D. Capturing sunlight for photosynthesis. The correct answer is D. Grasses capture sunlight for photosynthesis, the process by which they produce their own food. Which type of grassland ecosystem is characterized by harsh winters and hot summers with low to moderate precipitation? A. Prairie. B. Savanna. C. Steppe. D. Veldt. The correct answer is C. Steppe is a type of grassland ecosystem found in regions with harsh winters, hot summers, and low to moderate precipitation. Which of the following ecosystem services are provided by grassland ecosystems? A. Carbon sequestration. B. Air purification. C. Water filtration. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Grassland ecosystems provide various ecosystem services including carbon sequestration, air purification, and water filtration. What is a common threat to grassland ecosystems worldwide? A. Overgrazing. B. Excessive rainfall. C. High tree density. D. Cold temperatures. The correct answer is A. Overgrazing by livestock is a common threat to grassland ecosystems worldwide, leading to soil erosion and habitat degradation. Which of the following animals is well adapted to living in the grassland ecosystem? A. Polar bear. B. Giraffe. C. Penguin. D. Seal. The correct answer is B. Giraffes are well adapted to living in the grassland ecosystem. Their long necks help them reach high vegetation for food. What role do grassland ecosystems play in the global carbon cycle? A. Releasing carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. B. Sequestering carbon in soil and vegetation. C. Accelerating deforestation. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Grassland ecosystems play a vital role in the global carbon cycle by sequestering carbon in soil and vegetation, helping to mitigate climate change. Which of the following plants is commonly found in temperate grasslands? A. Acacia trees. B. Buffalo grass. C. Bamboo plants. D. Cacti. The correct answer is B. Buffalo grass is a common grass species found in temperate grasslands due to its adaptability to the climate and soil conditions. How do grasslands help keep soil healthy and stop erosion? A. By promoting deforestation. B. By reducing biodiversity. C. By forming deep root systems. D. By encouraging excessive grazing. The correct answer is C. Grasses in grassland ecosystems develop deep root systems that help prevent soil erosion by anchoring the soil in place. Which of the following is an abiotic factor impacting grassland biodiversity? A. Predators. B. Rainfall patterns. C. Keystone species. D. Plant species diversity. The correct answer is B. Abiotic factors, like rainfall patterns, can influence the diversity and distribution of plant species in a grassland ecosystem. What role do herbivores play in maintaining the balance of a grassland ecosystem? A. They compete with carnivores for resources. B. They control the population of predators. C. They prevent overgrowth of grasses. D. They aid in seed dispersal. The correct answer is C. Herbivores help control the growth of grasses in a grassland ecosystem, preventing overgrowth and maintaining a balance. How does fire function as a natural element in some grassland ecosystems? A. It promotes excessive plant growth. B. It reduces plant diversity. C. It controls invasive species. D. It encourages soil erosion. The correct answer is C. Fire in grassland ecosystems can help control invasive species by clearing out competing vegetation and promoting the growth of native grasses. Which factor contributes to the high productivity of grassland ecosystems compared to other ecosystems? A. Low sunlight exposure. B. High precipitation levels. C. Rich soil nutrients. D. Limited plant biodiversity. The correct answer is C. Grassland ecosystems are often more productive because of their rich soil nutrients, which support the growth of grasses and other plants. How does grazing by large herbivores benefit the grassland ecosystem? A. It reduces plant productivity. B. It inhibits seed dispersal. C. It maintains grassland structure. D. It decreases soil fertility. The correct answer is C. Grazing by large herbivores helps maintain the structure of grassland ecosystems by controlling the growth of grasses and promoting plant diversity. What is the significance of mycorrhizal fungi in grassland ecosystems? A. They compete with grasses for nutrients. B. They aid in soil erosion. C. They form symbiotic relationships with plants. D. They attract harmful insects. The correct answer is C. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants in grassland ecosystems, helping improve nutrient uptake and overall plant health. How do grassland ecosystems contribute to the overall biodiversity of the planet? A. By promoting monoculture farming. B. By preserving endangered species. C. By reducing habitat diversity. D. By promoting desertification. The correct answer is B. Grassland ecosystems play a vital role in preserving endangered species and supporting biodiversity on a global scale. How do deep-root systems of grasses benefit the grassland ecosystem? A. Increase soil erosion. B. Decrease water infiltration. C. Contribute to soil aeration and moisture retention. D. Limit plant diversity. The correct answer is C. Deep-root systems of grasses help in soil aeration, moisture retention, and overall ecosystem stability. What is the role of grassland ecosystems in water filtration and purification? A. They reduce water contamination. B. They increase water pollution. C. They have no impact on water quality. D. They hinder the process of water filtration. The correct answer is A. Grassland ecosystems act as natural filters, reducing water contamination and purifying water. Why are grassland ecosystems particularly vulnerable to invasive species? A. High biodiversity. B. Low levels of sunlight. C. Open landscapes with few barriers. D. Harsh climate conditions. The correct answer is C. The open landscapes and few barriers in grassland ecosystems make them susceptible to invasion by non-native species. What is the primary function of decomposers in the grassland ecosystem? A. Reduce biodiversity. B. Break down organic matter into nutrients. C. Eliminate primary consumers. D. Produce oxygen. The correct answer is B. Decomposers play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter into nutrients that can be recycled in the ecosystem. What is the significance of pollinators in maintaining biodiversity within the grassland ecosystem? A. They compete with primary consumers. B. They reduce vegetation density. C. They aid in plant reproduction and diversity. D. They cause soil erosion. The correct answer is C. Pollinators play a crucial role in plant reproduction, assisting in genetic diversity, and maintaining the ecosystem's overall biodiversity. How do grassland fires contribute to ecosystem regeneration and diversity? A. By reducing soil fertility. B. By destroying all vegetation. C. By promoting seed germination and new growth. D. By increasing pollution levels. The correct answer is C. Grassland fires clear dead vegetation, promote seed germination, and stimulate new growth, ultimately enhancing ecosystem regeneration and diversity. What is the relationship between herbivores and grassland plant diversity? A. Herbivores decrease plant diversity. B. Herbivores have no impact on plant diversity. C. Herbivores enhance plant diversity through selective grazing. D. Herbivores only consume certain plant species. The correct answer is C. Herbivores can enhance plant diversity in grassland ecosystems by selectively grazing, preventing dominance by a single plant species and promoting a variety of species. What is the role of legumes in the grassland ecosystem? A. Fixing nitrogen in the soil. B. Providing shade for other plants. C. Attracting pollinators. D. Controlling erosion. The correct answer is A. Legumes have a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. This allows them to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use. This enriches the soil with essential nutrients. How do grassland ecosystems contribute to carbon sequestration? A. Through the deep root systems of grasses. B. By promoting deforestation. C. By emitting greenhouse gases. D. By reducing soil erosion. The correct answer is A. The deep root systems of grasses in grassland ecosystems store carbon underground, contributing to carbon sequestration and helping mitigate climate change. What is the significance of herbivores in grassland ecosystems? A. Maintaining vegetation structure. B. Controlling predators. C. Promoting algae growth. D. Regulating temperature. The correct answer is A. Herbivores play a crucial role in maintaining the vegetation structure of grassland ecosystems. They do this by grazing on plants, preventing any one species from dominating, and promoting biodiversity. Which structural component of grassland ecosystems provides nesting sites for birds and shelter for various small animals? A. Shrubs. B. Mosses. C. Lichens. D. Fungi. The correct answer is A. Shrubs in grassland ecosystems are important. They provide nesting sites for birds, shelter for small animals, and boost overall ecosystem diversity. How do non-grassland plants contribute to the diversity of grassland ecosystems? A. By providing additional food sources for herbivores. B. By competing with grasses for sunlight. C. By reducing soil fertility. D. By increasing soil erosion. The correct answer is A. Non-grassland plants in grassland ecosystems contribute to diversity. They provide extra food for herbivores. This supports a wider range of species in the ecosystem. What is the ecological function of decomposers in the grassland ecosystem? A. Breaking down organic matter into nutrients. B. Protecting plants from herbivores. C. Creating oxygen through photosynthesis. D. Regulating water balance in the soil. The correct answer is A. Decomposers in grassland ecosystems play a vital role in breaking down dead organic matter into nutrients, recycling essential elements back into the soil for plant uptake and ecosystem productivity. Which ecological service do grasslands provide for water regulation and flood prevention? A. Filtering pollutants from water. B. Increasing water evaporation. C. Contributing to water scarcity. D. Enhancing irrigation systems. The correct answer is A. Grassland ecosystems act as natural filters. They remove pollutants from water as it travels through the soil. This helps regulate water quality and prevent flooding by absorbing excess water. How do grassland fires contribute to the renewal of grassland ecosystems? A. Clearing out old vegetation and promoting new growth. B. Endangering plant species survival. C. Reducing biodiversity. D. Worsening soil fertility. The correct answer is A. Grassland fires play a crucial role in clearing out old vegetation, promoting new growth, and maintaining ecosystem health by cycling nutrients and stimulating seed germination in certain plant species. What is the importance of seed banks in grassland ecosystems? A. Preserving plant diversity and aiding ecosystem recovery. B. Promoting rapid deforestation. C. Increasing soil erosion. D. Reducing water scarcity. The correct answer is A. Seed banks in grassland ecosystems play a critical role in preserving plant diversity, aiding ecosystem recovery after disturbances like fires or droughts, and ensuring the long-term resilience of the ecosystem. What is the role of mycorrhizal fungi in enhancing nutrient uptake by plants in grassland ecosystems? A. Facilitating the absorption of water and minerals by plant roots. B. Attracting pollinators to flowers. C. Reducing soil fertility. D. Causing diseases in plant roots. The correct answer is A. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, increasing the surface area for nutrient uptake and enhancing the absorption of water and minerals by plants in grassland ecosystems. What's the link between deep-rooted grasses and soil conservation in grasslands? A. Deep-rooted grasses enhance soil erosion. B. Deep-rooted grasses contribute to soil fertility. C. Deep-rooted grasses increase soil compaction. D. Deep-rooted grasses lead to soil salinization. The correct answer is B. The deep-root systems of grasses in grassland ecosystems help conserve soil by improving soil structure, preventing erosion, enhancing water infiltration, and promoting soil fertility. How do grassland ecosystems contribute to biodiversity globally? A. By supporting a high number of tree species. B. By providing habitat for a variety of bird species. C. By hosting a diverse range of plant and animal species. D. By promoting the growth of aquatic organisms. The correct answer is C. Grassland ecosystems contribute to global biodiversity by hosting a diverse range of plant and animal species, including numerous grass species, herbivores, predators, and other organisms that depend on this ecosystem for survival. What is the primary function of decomposers in the grassland ecosystem? A. Predating on herbivores. B. Facilitating nutrient recycling. C. Providing shade for grasses. D. Acting as primary producers. The correct answer is B. Decomposers play a crucial role in the grassland ecosystem. They break down organic matter, such as dead plants and animals. This creates essential nutrients, These nutrients are recycled back into the soil, enriching it for plant growth and ecosystem health. How do legumes contribute to the nutrient cycle in grassland ecosystems? A. By reducing nutrient availability in the soil. B. By fixing atmospheric nitrogen. C. By promoting soil erosion. D. By inhibiting plant growth. The correct answer is B. Legumes in grassland ecosystems play a vital role in the nutrient cycle. They form symbiotic relationships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. This enables them to fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, enriching it with essential nutrients for other plants and contributing to ecosystem productivity. Which structural component of grassland ecosystems provides nesting sites for birds and shelter for various small animals? A. Herbivores. B. Understory vegetation. C. Decomposers. D. Trees. The correct answer is B. Understory vegetation in grassland ecosystems serves as a natural habitat for various species, providing protection, nesting sites, and food sources for small animals and birds. What is the ecological significance of pollinators in maintaining biodiversity within the grassland ecosystem? A. Controlling predator populations. B. Regulating plant growth. C. Supporting plant reproduction. D. Building nest structures. The correct answer is C. Pollinators play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity within the grassland ecosystem. They do this by facilitating plant reproduction through pollination. Pollination is essential for the production of seeds, fruits, and new generations of plants. This contributes to ecosystem stability and resilience. How do non-grassland plants contribute to the diversity of grassland ecosystems? A. By reducing competition for resources. B. By providing food for herbivores. C. By establishing symbiotic relationships with grasses. D. By creating microhabitats for other species. The correct answer is D. Non-grassland plants in grassland ecosystems contribute to biodiversity. They create microhabitats for other species. They provide additional food sources, shelter, and varying environmental conditions. This supports a broader range of organisms, increasing overall ecosystem diversity. What is the role of mycorrhizal fungi in boosting plant nutrient uptake in grasslands? A. Breaking down dead organic matter. B. Producing carbohydrates for plants. C. Facilitating mineral absorption. D. Fixing atmospheric nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants in grassland ecosystems. They extend plant root systems, enhancing nutrient uptake. This helps plants absorb minerals like water, phosphorus, and nitrogen, improving plant growth, health, and overall ecosystem productivity. What is the role of primary producers in a grassland ecosystem? A. Converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. B. Regulating the population of herbivores. C. Maintaining soil structure and preventing erosion. D. Breaking down organic matter into nutrients for plants. The correct answer is A. Primary producers, like grasses, play a crucial role in grassland ecosystems. They convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, forming the base of the food chain. How do grassland ecosystems contribute to the water cycle? A. By increasing water runoff and erosion. B. By decreasing water infiltration and recharge of aquifers. C. By promoting water filtration and absorption into the soil. D. By reducing evaporation and transpiration rates. The correct answer is C. Grassland ecosystems play a vital role in the water cycle. They promote water filtration and absorption into the soil. This helps maintain groundwater levels and reduces the risk of flooding. What is the ecological importance of decomposers in a grassland ecosystem? A. They regulate the population of predators and prey. B. They recycle nutrients by breaking down dead organic matter. C. They provide food for primary consumers such as herbivores. D. They compete with primary producers for resources like sunlight. The correct answer is B. Decomposers play a crucial role in grassland ecosystems. They break down dead organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the soil. This helps sustain overall ecosystem productivity. How do grassland fires contribute to ecosystem renewal and diversity? A. By destroying the entire ecosystem and reducing biodiversity. B. By reducing soil fertility and inhibiting plant growth. C. By clearing out old vegetation and promoting new growth. D. By causing soil erosion and disrupting the food chain. The correct answer is C. Grassland fires play a natural role in ecosystem renewal. They clear out old vegetation, promote nutrient recycling, and create space for new growth. This enhances diversity and ecosystem health. Which structural component of grassland ecosystems provides essential habitat features for various species and contributes to biodiversity? A. Rivers and lakes. B. Sand dunes. C. Shrubs and bushes. D. Grass tussocks and bunches. The correct answer is D. Grass tussocks and bunches in grassland ecosystems provide essential habitat features such as shelter, nesting sites, and foraging grounds for various species, contributing to biodiversity and ecosystem balance. What is the ecological role of pollinators in maintaining biodiversity within the grassland ecosystem? A. They control insect pest populations. B. They help in seed dispersal of grassland plants. C. They enhance genetic diversity through cross-pollination. D. They compete with herbivores for food resources. The correct answer is C. Pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity within the grassland ecosystem. They do this by enhancing genetic diversity through cross-pollination. This leads to healthier plant populations and greater ecosystem resilience. How do non-grassland plants contribute to the diversity of grassland ecosystems? A. By outcompeting grassland species and reducing biodiversity. B. By providing food and shelter for herbivores. C. By increasing soil fertility and plant productivity. D. By adding structural complexity and offering niche opportunities. The correct answer is D. Non-grassland plants in grassland ecosystems contribute to diversity by adding structural complexity, offering niche opportunities for various species, and enhancing overall ecosystem resilience and balance. What is the primary function of mycorrhizal fungi in boosting plant nutrient uptake in grasslands? A. To compete with plants for nutrients. B. To produce sugars for plant growth. C. To break down organic matter for plants. D. To form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots and improve nutrient absorption. The correct answer is D. Mycorrhizal fungi form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots in grassland ecosystems. This extends the root system's reach and improves nutrient absorption. This leads to better plant growth and overall ecosystem productivity. How do grassland ecosystems contribute to carbon sequestration? A. By releasing carbon dioxide through plant respiration. B. By storing carbon in plant biomes and soil organic matter. C. By emitting greenhouse gases through decomposition processes. D. By promoting deforestation and land conversion for agriculture. The correct answer is B. Grassland ecosystems contribute to carbon sequestration by storing carbon in plant biomes and soil organic matter. This helps mitigate climate change and maintain carbon balance in the atmosphere. What is the significance of herbivores in grassland ecosystems? A. To control invasive species populations. B. To prevent overgrazing and maintain plant diversity. C. To compete with predators for food resources. D. To reduce nutrient availability for plant growth. The correct answer is B. Herbivores play a crucial role in grassland ecosystems. They prevent overgrazing, control plant populations, and maintain plant diversity. This helps sustain ecosystem balance and health. What is the role of grassland ecosystems in supporting a diverse range of herbivores and carnivores? A. Providing habitat and food sources for grazers and predators. B. Regulating water flow within the ecosystem. C. Maintaining soil fertility through decomposition. D. Filtering pollutants from the air and water. The correct answer is A. Grassland ecosystems provide open habitats and food sources for a variety of herbivores and their predators, creating a diverse ecosystem. Which structural component of grassland ecosystems plays a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and maintaining soil health? A. Deep-rooted grasses. B. Shrubs. C. Trees. D. Herbivores. The correct answer is A. Deep-rooted grasses help bind the soil together, preventing erosion and contributing to soil health in grassland ecosystems. How do grassland fires contribute to the renewal and diversity of grassland ecosystems? A. Clearing out old vegetation and allowing for new growth. B. Reducing biodiversity by eliminating plant species. C. Increasing soil compaction. D. Causing water pollution. The correct answer is A. Grassland fires clear out old vegetation, promoting new growth and increasing biodiversity in the ecosystem. What is the ecological significance of pollinators in grassland ecosystems? A. Ensuring the reproduction of flowering plants and maintenance of plant diversity. B. Regulating predator-prey relationships. C. Balancing nutrient cycles in the ecosystem. D. Preventing soil erosion. The correct answer is A. Pollinators play a crucial role in pollination, ensuring the reproduction of flowering plants and contributing to plant diversity in grassland ecosystems. How do legumes contribute to the nutrient cycle in grassland ecosystems? A. Fixing nitrogen in the soil. B. Regulating water flow. C. Providing shelter for small animals. D. Promoting soil erosion. The correct answer is A. Legumes are nitrogen-fixing plants that help increase nitrogen levels in the soil, contributing to the nutrient cycle in grassland ecosystems. What is the primary function of primary producers in a grassland ecosystem? A. Converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. B. Breaking down organic matter. C. Regulating climate patterns. D. Transforming carbon dioxide into oxygen. The correct answer is A. Primary producers, mainly grasses in grassland ecosystems, convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, forming the base of the food chain.